Hi, I'm Robin. I'm 12 years old. I came to Australia in April 2011. This school is my fifth school. But guess what? This school is the best school I have ever been to. I've only been here for 1 year, but I'm feeling like it's been 3 years. In term 2, I made into school sports representing Moreland. I played soccer because I love soccer, and I played goalkeeper, and with it came a big responsibility. But I played my best. We played with 5 schools and we only lost once. We did our best and I did myself proud. I want to share a famous quote in a row. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them, by Walt Disney. I think this quote means if you're trying to achieve your dream, it can come true. Go for your dream. Over the terms, I developed resilience and became stronger. First, I couldn't speak English very well, avoiding Aussies because I couldn't answer to them. Then, I learned English. I'm still learning English, and someday I will speak like an Aussie. Aussie, 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 oi, oi, oi. In 2012, my favorite thing was to play sports with other school. It was my favorite but most nervous time in my life. We had to be one and trust each other. Inter-school sport was the most dramatic and exciting thing that I ever done in my life. Thank you for listening to my speech. I miss you guys.